If you're looking for a new home and have been searching for something that feels more luxurious than the average new build, let me introduce you to the remaining plots at Meadowfields in Kirton End. This beautiful development of only 8 properties has just been finished, and we are now ready to launch the final 4 properties onto the market. The road and driveways are completed, the gardens are landscaped, and it is obvious to all that even from the outside, the quality of the finish here is far superior to anything else that other developers are producing in the area right now. Inside, each of these incredible homes are totally unique. A contemporary design with open plan living at the very heart of each one. No expense has been spared on the level of specification here, with bespoke German-made kitchens, fully fitted with top-of-the-range appliances, quartz worktops, and even cooker taps. As spacious and beautifully tiled bathrooms and en-suites are all fitted with the highest quality sanitary ware and accessories. These really are luxury homes. The developers have literally thought of everything. They are eco-friendly, contemporary, and very cool. Call us to arrange to come and see them for yourself at Fairweather Estate Agents.